So you see all these drawbars, all these pedals, it doesn't matter. If you don't know when to play, you're just making noise. Most musicians play over the preacher. They're fighting for attention. So the solution is the breath. The preacher has a rhythm. He's gonna speak, she's gonna speak. He breathes. He, she speaks. They breathe. You only play on the breath. So you got somebody tuning up, right, in the key of D flat, okay? And so you give them, your little hit, your stab. Very simple chord. You can just play D, F, B in your left hand and just play that D flat on your right hand and then hit them with the bass, right? Nothing crazy. Just very simple, a D7 chord, right? But now you're gonna kind of, oh Lord. And so when they come in between the breaths, you hit them, right? Chords are very simple. You just all the time stabbing on that one. So with the rhythm, yes, Lord, in between, all right? So as they hit, you hit. I'm here tonight to leave a word from the Lord. Ooh. And every time you hit them as they're doing their rhythm, and they're gonna say what they're gonna say what they're gonna say, all right? So you hit them with the diminished chord, your D flat, G, B flat, and then the E, G flat, this. And then once you go up, maybe pull up a little bit, make it a little bit brighter, all right? All the time. One. Simple. Diminished, minor. D flat, G, B flat, and then D flat, A flat, B. All the time. Start here, tension, release on the beat. In January, the live roadmap, I'm teaching the conversation, how to lock in with the preacher so you get invited back and not fired. 9 spots left, the link is in the bio.